If you don't have a website, start the website project by tomorrow, if not possible today. Hello guys, this is Waliur Rahman and I am a web developer with 16 years of experience and I am the CEO of Passive Coder. Welcome to another episode of my website development videos. Why it's important to start your website development project by tomorrow? The thing you need to consider first, because you want to earn some money. If you don't start your website by tomorrow, you will be losing the money. The money will be going to your competitor's pocket, and which you won't be liking actually. If you think that you need a website but not now, or you don't have enough budget for that, yeah, that's fine, but you're losing each time, each moment, each penny. So you have to be clear about your goal. If you want to earn some money, if you want to establish your business, so you would be needing a website very soon, as tomorrow. Maybe you don't have an angel investor or venture capitalist who is backing you up, so you would be earning money to sustain on your business. If you don't start to earn revenue for your business, the business will soon be sunk into the deep ocean. So you have to be clear about the earning potential you have now, because if you don't start early, your competitors would, and that would be a big loss for your business. You don't want to be a loser, or you don't want to lose your clients to the competitors. So this is the key rule, that if you start early, you would kill the competition. That's it. Another thing you should keep in your mind, if you start early, you can set your own rules. Maybe there are so many competitors in the market, but always remember, the ruler is the person who starts early. The one who is the first, he would be followed by the fellow other businesses, and other businesses would follow the footprint of yours. So you can set the rules, you can set the regulations, you can have your own thinking and implementation of your business plan so easily that would never be achieved if you start later on. The big difference between the person who has a website and you is that he is generating leads via his website. He is promoting his website to get more leads, does more converted clients, and you cannot showcase your business into your own website, because maybe you have Instagram, you have TikTok, or you have Facebook page, but that business page is not organized in a way you can organize your website. You can lead, you can redirect your website visitors, and you can convert them into your clients. You cannot do that with any in general Facebook page or Instagram business page. Another thing, why should you start earlier? Because the person who started 5 years ago, he has the better domain name, he has the better extension. Maybe you have a name in your choice, or maybe you have set up your business and you are doing business for more than 5 years or 10 years. You don't have the website yet, and whenever it comes for the domain registration, you cannot find the desired domain. So what is happening here? Someone else registered the domain which you should have already registered by your name. So if you start early, and it's now or never type of situation, so it is the time that it's better to start tomorrow than starting next month. So you are getting more opportunity, more exposure, and more domains available to register. Another key thing for search engine optimization, which is domain authority. If you register the domain early, the domain has the website hosted, and the search engines have available information on the domain authority will be increased. So this would be a valuable asset for your search engine ranking. Another big point, which is your trade license and your bank account gets matured earlier. Maybe you are planning to register your business, maybe you are planning to have the trade license or set up a bank account. If you start by tomorrow, you would be having your bank accounts earlier than if you're planning to do it on next couple of months, because if you want to have some loans or any credit facilities from your bank, you must have minimum 6 months to 1 year of bank transaction, which is very crucial. If you plan to start, you're planning, you're doing the meetings, you have the investors, you have the partners, you're talking with the friends, hey guy, how can I do that? And this would be actually a disaster if you don't start actually. So action is crucial and it should be first. And the last thing that is very crucial I would be mentioning this is, you don't want to lose your passion towards the business. If you want to do the business effectively, you have to keep your mind clear, and also you have the plans in your mind. If you just waiting and doing the meetings, waiting and waiting, it will be losing you time, it will be killing you, it would be killing your passion towards the business or the vision you're just having right now, because it changes, your mind changes, and human beings are supposed to be changed. So you have to start now or today or tomorrow, so that you can achieve the business goal which you have in your mind. Maybe I have cleared all the issues about why you should start by tomorrow, if not today. So if you want to start the website development process, me and my team at Passive Coder can help you. So you can just visit passivecoder.com and fill up the contact form or the free consultancy form, and I would be meeting you there. So yeah, that's all for today. See you on the next video. Have a nice day.